Accurate process serving.
Hi, this is Michael. How you doing today?
Hey, doing well. How are you?
Good, good. I'm just calling to find out how much you guys charge for an eviction out of the Metro Court.
So is it like filing it? Like, what do you need done for it, or just served?
Yeah, just doing some information gathering right now because we're looking at a property there, and I'm told that evictions are a pain in the butt in the Albuquerque area.
Yeah, so you would be able to, like, are you in town or are you out of town?
Out of town, yeah.
Okay, so you would be able to get all the documentation, I believe, from the courts via, you know, email or on their website, and then you would have to fill those out, and you could forward those to me, and then I would file those. For you to go down to the courts, I charge to file an eviction, I charge 60. And so that's just to like go down there and file it for you. And then if you want me to, advance the fee, of course we ask for the fee back as well, which is usually, I believe, 77 to open the
Okay,
case.
that's pretty
And
good.
then,
Yeah.
yeah. And then, like I said, we charge you the 77 back. And then if, obviously after that's all ready to go, that paperwork's ready to go, then we serve that for you here in Albuquerque. We charge 85.
$85. Okay. Now with that one, how many attempts do you make on or like
3 attempts.
and is that all that's required?
That's just my standard that I do for my customers, and that's pretty. I mean, around the block when it comes to process serving, at least 3 serves are included.
But for like for the eviction process, like what if they don't answer? You know what I mean?
So yeah, no, absolutely. So the 3 attempts are usually, like I said, standard. And so let's just say that they're not answering the door. Obviously, like on the 3rd attempt, we post, we take a picture, we send it by mail, which is all required by New Mexico, courts and stuff like that. So we document each time, and then we can get you like an affidavit of non-service, just saying that they didn't answer, all that kind of stuff. But, like I said, if we do post, then we file it via posting, or, if you choose that you want to do, hey, like, let's try and mail them a certified mail, then I can't attest to anything until I get like the return of service back, which is like the certified card showing that the individual or some individuals signed for it.
Okay.
But we always have different options.
That's pretty neat. Well, listen, so yeah, I'm a real estate investor. I do a lot of wholesale and flipping and things like that. We just got a place out in Edgewood, and I was thinking about
Nice.
I was thinking about serving out there because I used to serve back in the day. Yeah. Do you guys like do affiliate work? Would you send me work out in Edgewood, or how does that work?
Yeah, I mean, actually, I have a couple for Cedar Crest and stuff like that. I charge a lot more for that area.
Yeah.
But
yeah, maybe I could come in when I'm in town, come in and meet you guys and see, I mean, that's how I got started back in the day, was just serving for somebody else, and then that went pretty well, and then I got into real estate and then stopped serving. So
right.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, just let me know, and if anything comes up,
so
feel free to reach out. My name is Julia.
I appreciate you. I appreciate you. And is there a better is this the best phone number for you?
Yeah, this is my direct line.
Okay. I appreciate you so much. Yeah, if we end up doing the eviction on that one. My name is Michael.
Okay, Michael.
Yeah.
Just give me a call or shoot me a text. It's my cell phone.
Oh, you're awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Guys, this is I mean, like when people are telling me that they can't call, or they're like, they're overthinking the stuff. She charges a premium, and she says she charges even more for things up in Cedar Crest and Edgewood, which is where this house is, right? And so I try to be as honest as I can without revealing information. Obviously, I'm trying to find out information, so I'm not going to be upfront about everything, right? But at the same time, I'm not going to lie to her, because you heard at the end of the conversation, like, she's open to hiring me as an affiliate process server serving for her, right? It's super powerful.
Please leave your message
Oh boy. Oh boy, that's the worst. Straight to voicemail? You might as well quit now. Oh boy. So this is something to note when your company gets bigger. If you have a phone tree, it gets rid of spam dialers.
You have reached our investigation department. Your case matters, and we want to help. Please leave your name and your number, and one of our agents will call you back just as soon as they're available. Thank you.
Please hold while I try to.
So that sounds like Ring Central voice tree. It's just so bad for business. Like, I get why they probably thought it was a good idea, but it's so bad for business because if you don't answer the phone, if I don't get a person on the phone, and I need to think about, put your mind in the mind of the consumer. I need to have some, whether I'm a paralegal or a guy who's trying to serve his wife divorce papers or child custody papers, or an attorney who just got out of court. He's got to get something served real quick. He just went solo out of law school. Well, whoever I am, I don't want your voice tree. If okay, I pushed 101 and now I'm being sent a voicemail, just quit. Just give up now. Just quit. This is going to be so easy to destroy these people. It sounds arrogant, but the only real competition so far are these two companies. They both were good, and again, I'm not trying to put them on blast, so I'm not saying their name. We'll say Company A. Company A, it's 59 reviews. They have the most reviews. They got state contracts. So it's probably the one to beat. But actually, Company B has less reviews, 31 reviews, but very good customer. Well, they were both very good customer service, but I could tell that Company B serves more of the individuals. Very good. And she charges more money. So between the two of these two, I have enough information. This other one has some reviews, a 4-star review, but only 9 reviews. But their phone number is bad. They don't have a website. I mean, guys, the whole goal here is to get in the map pack, be one of the 3 that show up in Google Maps. I haven't said this yet, but I'll mention it right now. And you probably heard me talking to her, one of the ladies, about it. Was I'm going to differentiate myself from them right away by being the mountain goat. I'm going to be the process server in the East Mountains. I actually even thought about calling this East Mountain Process Server, right? My company, because first of all, you get to charge a premium, right? So in order to serve somebody, I can charge, $200. Not to the affiliate, but to an attorney. I could charge $200. I might even just do that right away. $200, $200 to serve. And then eventually, once I have a good majority of the market share here locally, then I can farm it out to other process servers who live locally, who will do it for $30 a serve, $40 a serve, and I'm getting $180. Okay. And then I can hire an office staff. I can pay for an office, blah, 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 blah. Okay. She said they serve most of the state. So, and they have state contracts to serve child support papers. So some of you may be thinking like, well, Mike, how are you going to get all this other information that quickly? The way I'm going to get the information quickly from this lady that I just met is I'm going to call her and say, here in the next few days, I'll call her probably next week and say, hey, I'm here locally. Could I come by and say hi? And build a relationship. People want that quick Band-Aid to pull off to fix their business. No, you're not going to get a quick fix where you're making a quick buck. You're going to go down and build relationships that are going to turn into something later on. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go build a relationship with her. I don't know about the other one, the first one, Company A, because they are, she's like, we're so busy, maybe I'll go be like, hey, I'll serve your stuff here in the East Mountains. Actually, I'm halfway tempted to do that right now. Let me see. Well, no, I'll call later, but I'll call basically when I call, it's like, she's so busy. There's a chance that she may need something up here in the East Mountains served. Do you have what it takes to accomplish the Mighty 10K challenge? Go to mightyprocessserver.com and subscribe today. I give you all the resources you need to find success and build a profitable process serving business.